Hi Wonder Class and welcome to our maths lesson on Thursday the 28th of January 2021. Hasn't the week just gone by so quickly? We're already on Thursday. So what you're going to be doing today is starting off with your arithmetic. So have a go at carrying out some of these questions, pause the video, and when you play I will then reveal the answers to you. I'm going to read the questions to you. So number 1, 5 times 7. Number 2, what is 18 shared into 3? Number 3, what is 823 as a Roman numeral? Number 4, what number is next in the sequence? Number 5, 9 times 9. Number 6, 32 divided by 8. Number 7, what is 3 kilometers in meters? Number 8, 6,788 add 2,231. Number 9, 9,875 minus 2,462. And finally, number 10, 42 divided by 7. So have a go, pause the video, and when you play it again, I will reveal the answers. Okay, so here are the answers to your arithmetic questions. Number 1, 35. Number 2, 6. Number 3, DCCC, XX, III. It's at the bottom of the screen. You should be able to see it just over here. Number 4, the next number in the sequence. What comes after 7? $16. Number 5, 9 times 9 is 81. Number 6, 4. Number 7, 3,000. Number 8, 9,019. Number 9, 7,413. And number 10, 6. Okay, let's see what we're learning about today. So can I understand what a tenth is? Let's have a look. So here is your quick challenge. I want you to have a go and pause the screen. What does each digit represent first of all? Second, can you rearrange the digits to make the smallest and the largest number? And can you make it an even number? Can you or not? There's a good one for you to try. So have a go at those 3 challenges on your whiteboards, and you can post those pictures onto Tapestry once you've had a go. So let's have a look. All numbers have decimal points. It never moves. We only show it when we have numbers that are not whole. The first number after the decimal point is called a tenth. Can you say that? A tenth. Fantastic. Okay, let's see how this works out into our fractions. So tenths are fractions that always have 10 parts. So if we look on our screen, we have 10 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We've got 10 counters. So let's find out what the fractions are for each of these counters. So we've got 10 and we've got how many of the counters are yellow? So 1, 2, 3. So we know that 3/10 of the counters are yellow. I'm going to just put that over here. So 3/10 of the counters are yellow. How many of the counters are red? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6/10 of the counters are red. So 6 out of 10 of these counters are red. And how many of the counters are green? 1 out of 10 are green, because we only have 1 counter that is green. Let's see what the next question says. So we can use part-whole models to help with the fraction. Here we have 1 whole that has been divided into 10 parts. So 1 whole, and it's been divided into 10 parts. So we've now got 3/10. Now we just need to find out what goes in the next part of the part-whole model. So if we have 3, how many more do we need to get to 10? So we know 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 7. So in here we would write 7/10. So in here 7/10 is the next part of our part-whole model. So we know that 3 add 7 equals 10, which makes our whole over here. It's now your turn to try answering these questions. Pause the video, have a go, and when you press play, I will then carry on explaining how this is done. Okay, let's have a look. So Tick the pictures that show tenths. So let's have a look and find out how many of these pictures are showing us tenths. So we're going to have to count them. Let's get a pen out. Okay, let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that doesn't need to be ticked. 1, 2, or we could count in 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we can tick this one. We can tick 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can tick this one as well. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So we can't tick this one. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. We can tick this one. And over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And we can tick this one as well. So it says, have a go at completing this. So what goes in this part of the part whole model? So we've got 7 and we need to get to 10. So it would be 3 over 10 makes our part whole. It's just like the reverse to what we've just tried doing. Okay, here is your independent tasks for today's lesson. I'm going to actually read through them with you and see if you understand what they're asking you. You can have a go and then we will talk about them again in our catch up on our live session on Friday. So Amir has some blue and yellow cubes. He makes a tower using 10 cubes because we're learning about tenths. Investigate how many different towers Amir can make with 10 cubes if every tower has a different fraction of blue and yellow. So we don't have to only have 2 yellows and 8 blues. We can move it around. So I'm going to give you an example. A combination I might make would be 5 over 10 in blue counters and 5 over 10 in yellow counters, because 5 and 5 makes 10. Another combination that I might make is I might have 6 blue counters, which then will leave me with 4 over 10 in yellow counters, because in yellow cubes or counters, because 6 plus 4 makes a whole of a 10. So have a go at trying some of those. See how many combinations that you can make to get your 10. Number 2, Danny has a bag of sweets. Half of the sweets are red and 3/10 of the sweets are yellow. The rest are green. What fraction of the sweets are green? So what you're going to have to do for this is break this question down. You've been given information that half of the sweets are red. So what is half of 10? That will be your first fraction. And then you've got 3/10 of the sweets are yellow, and the remaining 5 over 10 plus 3 over 10, remaining will be how many are green. So see if you can work that out with my explanation. You might find it tricky, but try and see if you can work this one out. Question number 3, Mo also has a bag of sweets. 4/10 of his sweets are red. The rest are yellow and green. What fraction of Mo's sweets could be green? And what fraction could be yellow? It could vary. It could vary because you've got 4 and then you've got 2 different fractions to split up. And how many possible answers can you find? Have a go at writing them down. So these are just some questions for you to have a go at today. Go back to the screen, pause the video and have a go, and we will talk about them on the live lesson on Friday. Okay, everybody, that's all from me. Enjoy learning about tenths, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye.